So I'll be unboxing the Therabody X United Business Class Polaris Amenity Kit and the Premium Amenity Kit from United. So this is another colorway that we got. So we're gonna unbox both of these right now. First, let's open the first one, the premium one, the tag. Let's unzip. Let's go inside. Also, this is a very different type of felted material. As you can see from previous amenity kits, this has much less plastic use, like the soft tissues. And here's what's rest inside of here. Firstly, an eye mask, this card, socks, earplugs, soft tissues, this bag, and the dental kit. This is the toothbrush and toothpaste, more of a wooden feel. This is what's inside the bag. So there inside it is a lip balm, hand cream, and refreshing towelette. And that's everything inside of the premium bag. Now let's get the Polaris kit. Here's the tag for that. This is more of a pouch type, and this has a different colorway than the one from before. This is what's inside. So it's pretty much the same with the premium one, except there's already soft tissues, dental kit, the card, earplugs, mask, and socks. But now there's also a pen, this pouch type thing, and then in here there's a few other things. So there's the same towelette, lip balm, and hand cream, but there's also hydrating mist and eye serum. So obviously the same lip balm, towelette, and cream, but now there's eye serum that has some caffeine in it, and then this refreshing mist spray. So those are the differences between the two. So thanks for watching and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.